Well, a happy Kwanzaa and a happy Boxing Day to everybody out there across central Maryland. The great weather continues out there. Temps back near 50 today, high pressure in control, but changes are on the way for your Friday. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Tiller, Maryland's most accurate forecast. Big bubble of no trouble, there it is, giving us the great weather today and tomorrow, but the rain is not too far off with severe weather right now in Texas. Snow in portions of New Mexico and eventually surging into the plains. A winter storm for them. Just for us, we'll be looking at more heavy rainfall. Futurecast shows the clouds on the increase by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Most of the day we get away sunny, but those showers, they do return late, and particularly once we get past about midnight. Heavy rain early Friday morning, early Friday afternoon. Temperatures surge though towards 60 degrees as we get towards the afternoon hours, and then the rain will start to quit going into the weekend ahead. An additional ½ inch to an inch on top of what we saw over the last 2 weeks could lead to localized flooding concerns throughout central Maryland, so definitely beware as that rain moves in on Friday. Very heavy at times. 27 degrees, clear, crisp, and cold. Patchy frost during the overnight hours. Cold start for your Thursday. Seasonable sunshine in the afternoon and more clouds in the evening. We'll start out the day bright. We'll end the day gray out there. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Friday's forecast, rain especially early in the day. Should start to taper late afternoon into the evening hours as we get a little bit of a break and a nice day there on Saturday. Ravens forecast, though, a few showers back in the vicinity, and a lot colder. Temperatures in the 40s compared to those 60s that we'll see on Friday. 47, nice on Thursday. Rain arrives late. Rain comes in for Friday, 60 degrees. Nice day on Saturday. Rain and snow chance there on Sunday. Not a washout of a day with more rain showers going in to the new year. We'll have an updated forecast tonight at 11. We hope to see you there. Otherwise, download our free mobile app, WMAR2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store. Make it a great rest of your Wednesday and a great rest of your 2018.